dead ends. Crazy playmates.
There she goes. She's coming to get you, Sam. Get him, Maddox. Oh, Maddox is gonna get you. What's wrong? She's got. Oh, she's giving you a hug. Can you give him a kiss, Maddox? Can you give him a kiss, Mads? Let her give you a kiss. Oh, Dylan, let her give you a kiss. He wiped off your kiss.
He's a dead end this time. This time he's going to get a catch. I'm a dead end.
Get him, Maddox. Get him. Give him a hug. Maddox, give him a wowie kiss. She's the kissing machine. She's a kissing machine. What do you say to your sister, Sam?
Thank you, Mike.
Whoa. Bad camera skills. Sammy. You're gonna get hurt doing that. Maddox, what does that dog on your shirt say? Woof! Woof! Does it say woof?